Welcome to my channel. I'm Moses. In today's video, we are diving deep into the essential skill, unlocking the power of downloading video on Xender. Have ever wanted to download TikTok videos or any other social media's videos straight to your phone but it hit a wall? Well, guess what, you can do it with Xender. Let's go. Step 1. First, open the Xender on your Android device. Now, instead of files, we are going to unlock its hidden trick for video downloads. Step 2. Tap the social media tab at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Select the paste and download option from the menu. Step 4. Tap the social media icon you want to download the videos from. I'm going to use TikTok icon for my videos. You may require to log in into your account for the first time. Step 5. I'm going to use TikTok icon for my videos. You may require to log in into your account for the first time. Step 5. Browse or search the video you want to download. Alternatively, you can copy the video link, paste it into downloader. Step 6. Once you have found the download button to Step 6. Once you have found the download button, to save it to your device. And that's it, no extra apps, no confusion. Just Xender unlocking the power of social media. And that's it, no extra apps, no confusion. Just Xender unlocking the power of social media videos downloads. You want more tricks? Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my latest content. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.